we would like to clarify a little bit more the release of balance, and this is movement number 6. And I would like to clarify, especially when you're raising the energy, and we do the invisible spiral, and then we arrive to this connection. And this connection is very much an approximation, because not every connection is different, but it's like, I remember moving heart when we went to central crown, and we went to moving heart right here to go inside of the heart a little bit. So we are descending or ascending from the pelvic floor in order to come back again to central crown. So suspended balance is a little bit like that, at that level and that connection. And one hand sometimes go a little bit in front of another one. It all depends on the width of your chest when you're moving forward. And also, like this will be like the place that you're arriving, more or less. And here, it's good sometimes to spend time in it, because you will find the place in your lower arms from which you're touching the knees, and then it allows you to experience that you're coming from your legs around the hip and releasing the spine through it. So when you arrive to this place, it's not like a downward place that is self-enclosed in your spine, but in the contrary, it's like a circle that allows you to pass through again. And when you get to here, this is count 2, when you return, the actual arriving here prompts that return of your arms coming back to you in a circular form. The circular form when you're coming back is almost like when you are if you were to be here in the diamond, in your knees, you create the circle of the sphere to return. So the circularity allows you to come back. And the circularity also allows you to come back from inside of the 7 centers from the crown. So I just want to clarify that, because it will help you enormously in the connection to the pelvis and in your legs to find this detail. So arriving to suspended wave, suspended balance here, the circle connects you to the crown and allows you to descend through the centers in order to be able then to ascend all the way through to infinity and go through all the circle of the Arya Mandala. Okay? So let's do the motion a couple of times in order to see that moment of return, the circularity of it, the entering crown coming from the centers from above to come back to foundation. Because on foundation we're going to go to infinity again. And remember, there is a name called infinity, a name that we use to the path called infinity's gate, to allow the scapula and the whole chest to open up through you. And then when you come back here to expansion, as you practice, begin to find out where is that point. Begin to define it in you. It's right here. It's not here. It's right here in order to descend. So from the beginning, begin to find out, I'm looking for a point in a space that allow me to experience the right and the left balance in me. Okay? So let's start from 0 point. And actually we're going to go to foundation and crown, because that's the way we initiate the movement. So we go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we go 1, suspended wave, descending, ascending, foundation, outflowing wave, and crown. And now we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, raising through the centers, suspended wave. This is count 2, entering crown, 3, 4, ascending through centers, infinity's gate, infinity. Keep moving, expansion, keep moving, crown, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the completion. So let's do it again now when the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, crown. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. 2. We do it again. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, infinity, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, completion, 2, 3, and 4. If we complete the movement, very gently unwind the movement to 0 point. So, wonderful. Let's continue with the 6th movement. Just a few more details because it will help you as you practice. Once we initiate the movement and we start the moving forward of the spine, I wanted to clarify that sometimes when you're moving forward through the diamond, there may be an innocent tendency to trying to go forward with the elbows or trying to go too much back with the elbows. So begin to know that you're going through the center of your spine and then through the elbow, through the wrist, and through the shoulder. And it will help you to find the place so you innocently don't push forward with the shoulders in order to find the inner extension or too much back. So finding the center in it will help you. Then, as you're moving forward and you do the suspended wave in this place, and you arrive here, it's good for you to spend time sometimes because the diamond is not self-enclosing to itself. It's an avenue of expansion in your chest to assist you to release the spine and forward and through itself. So that arrival prompts then the returning in order to start the unfold, the inner outer mandala in infinity. Now, when you get to expansion right here, from then on, there is a word that we use that is called navigation. And as you're descending from here, if you rest in your hands, if your hand goes 2 millimeters higher and 2 millimeters up, will assist you to keep the shoulder completely open through the heart. Because there may be a tendency here that you would like to keep the hand in the same level. And if I keep it in the same level, you will see that it crosses the shoulder. So once you get to this level, if you remember just a few 1 millimeter up in the hands, allows you to suspend the shoulder so you can come to foundation and complete the movement. Okay? So let's do the movement twice again now, paying attention to the placement of the elbow, to entering crown, infinity, expansion, and then navigation to get to crown. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, ascending, 2, invisible spiral, 4, 1, 2, entering crown, 3, 4, 1, 2, infinity's gate, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's navigation, 2, 3, that is crown, 1, 2, 3, 4, complete, 2, 3, and 4.